Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to save Excel table as a high resolution image. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Excel workbook. We can see here our Excel table. Now you want to save the table as a high resolution image. At first select the whole table. Click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the home menu. Select the borders drop down menu, choose all border. Now we can see we added the border to this table area. Now you want to save the table as a high resolution image, click right button. We can see here not available the option. Now you want to save the table as a high resolution image, take a screenshot. Select your screenshot area and save this on our file. Now we can see we save Excel table as a high resolution image very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.